Tonight's Facebook story of the day is about joint pain. Many of us experience it, but how can we alleviate it? TV6's Anna Samovska joins us now with habits you can take on to minimize the pain. Anna?
Steve, let's face it, the more wear and tear our joints experience, the quicker we can find ourselves among 30% of adult Americans who suffer from any type of joint pain. But there is hope. In fact, there are a lot of healthy habits you can get into to save yourself a trip to the doctor's office. Years ago, Cindy Brindley joined a growing number of Americans who suffer from joint pain, years of stiffness and aches with no real relief to her pain. Until just recently, she did what Facebook user Cindy Alsbach says is the answer. Losing weight and exercising helps.
Weight's a big deal. Yeah, you want to stay as trim as you can.
Brindley now spends 2 to 3 times a week keeping her body in motion.
Oh, it's amazing. I'm finding I can do so many things that I could not do before, like a lot more yard work.
Almost there. You feel
a common excuse wellness trainer Jen Bima often hears is that exercise causes joint pain. She says it's exactly the opposite.
People will get stuck in that rut sometimes where they hurt and they get joint pain and they don't want to move, but that actually makes it worse.
But what if the gym isn't an option? Bima says there are many things you can do around the house to get your heart rate going. You don't need a wall like this one to do push-ups. Simply use your kitchen counter.
The more you move, the more fluid you get kind of pumped into those discs, and it keeps the spine healthier as well.
But pharmacists say coupling fitness with over-the-counter medication is not a bad idea if you have severe pain.
Glucosamine and chondroitin is a natural supplement used for joint problems and for prevention, and then also to help treat joint problems.
Now, besides that supplement, it's also okay to treat your pain with anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen or Aleve. And of course, you should always consult your doctor before taking any medication. Steve?